Hey guys, all right, so there's going to be a relatively large move coming soon for Bitcoin, and we're going to do our best to capture it. Um, but yeah, we'll dive into that really shortly. I just want to show you really quick the profits again the community is making. So right now, so today alone, Talon 16%, awesome job, man, with 12x leverage, not bad, and Mark 81% with 10x leverage, that's an 8% capture, right on. The Talon again, 16%. Denost, 9.33%. Kanasi, 54.65%. Awesome job, guys. I know there was more from last night. Like, you guys were crushing it. But yeah, keep it up. I'll keep shouting you out every single time you get those profits in. I'll show everyone how much money you're making. Good job. But yeah, let's dive into it. Let's show you how we can make some more. And yeah, all right, cool. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the DXY and see how much it's suffering right now. So if we go over here, we can see that, yeah, we were talking about this yesterday, how we had the confirmation bounce off this downtrend level of resistance. It got rejected, coming back down here, and now it's using 104.79 as a level of support. And it's a strong level of interest for the DXY, so it makes a lot of sense for it to bounce here. And right now, it seems as if, like, depending on how this candle prints, it's developing a descending triangle right now. So we'll keep an eye out on that downtrend level of resistance. But if it ends up breaking this neckline with this W formation, it may bring itself back up above this downtrend level of resistance, and might have to look for a new formation to keep an eye out on. But right now, yeah, it's still looking bearish. Yeah, just downtrend level of resistance, keeping it down. But yeah, we'll keep an eye out on this for now. But if it ends up breaking this neckline here, we might see some bearish activity in the crypto charts. Let's go back over here. And let's jump over to Bitcoin, of course, the one and only cryptocurrency asset. So yeah, we end up breaking this, horizontal level of resistance. I'm going to jump over to my primary chart here. Yeah, we end up breaking this resistance, and now we're starting to get a bounce. So we need this confirmation bounce in order to actually flag a buy signal. If it comes with enough volume, I'll be entering a long position, and the target that I'm going to be looking at is 25,485 as this area of interest. However, I'm going to try to stay in this trade as long as I possibly can, because once we get past this area of interest, there's not that much resistance up until 27,000. So this is going to be my point of entry for what will start off, as a short-term trade if things end up being bearish around here. But if we end up breaking past this, then it's going to end up being a little bit of a longer-term trade. So I'll probably put in more capital because the risk-reward ratio is going to be pretty great. And my stop loss, I'm going to probably tuck it right below here. Depending on how strong this confirmation bounce is, I may put it right below the confirmation bounce itself inside of this formation. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at in terms of Bitcoin. Let's jump over to another asset. Let's take a look and see what's going on with Ethereum. Oh, sorry, I just went to the strategy tester here. I'll close this again. I'm going into the wrong chart, that's why. All right, now we're good. So looking at Ethereum here, this uptrend level of resistance is now holding up as support. However, it's not holding off very well. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're good. So long as it doesn't break below this level of support here, we won't see a drop down. So if it ends up dropping down here and we get like a support bounce off of this level, because it's a strong level of interest, we may see a head and shoulders formation get built. And you know how those usually end up playing out. If we end up seeing a bounce going to the downside, it's like here, I'm going to pull up my brush tool. So let's go down here, use this as a level of resistance again, and come back down, and we may see something like this off this area of support, and then that will create a head and shoulders formation. That's the only thing I can see right now in the charts for any form of, formation. Basically, if you're not in a long position, you shouldn't be entering one for Ethereum. So we basically just got to prepare for a potential short position, and then if we get some kind of formation down here, we could play off of it. But its correlation with Bitcoin, because the amount of liquidity it has with Bitcoin is really, really tight. So if Bitcoin ends up using that formation I was just talking to you about as support and we get a bounce, Ethereum's going to follow along with it relatively tightly. So sometimes you could actually see what's going on with Bitcoin and then enter a altcoin trade because of it, so long as that altcoin has a lot of Bitcoin liquidity and doesn't have its own relative strength. Just a little nugget there for you. But yeah, that's everything we got, man. I'm basically just looking to enter a long position here. Ethereum, if it doesn't hold up that support, I'll most likely be entering a short position. Just gotta wait for the confirmation first. But yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, because we are giving away tomorrow. I'm giving away one free course to any of our subscribers, and I'm gonna be doing this weekly. I think every week we're gonna be whoever is a subscriber to InvestShare is gonna be automatically tallied into a lottery to win a free course from InvestShare of your choice. Any of the trading strategy courses of your choice. But yeah, that's everything. Have yourself an amazing day. I'm sorry for being awkward. That's just who I am. And thanks for watching.